It's 7 o'clock a.m. I'm staring at my laptop, coffee steaming beside me, heart racing. The challenge is simple, but brutal. Make $100 in the next 24 hours using only AI. No freelancing platforms. No existing audience. No backup cash. Just me, my brain, and a handful of AI tools. Sounds impossible, right? That's the paradox. We've all heard that AI can replace jobs, but what if, just for one day, you flip the script? What if AI didn't take money from you, but actually made it for you? So here's the question. Can AI turn 24 hours into $100, cold, hard cash in your account? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly what happened when I tried. The steps I took, the tools I used, and the twist at the end that will change the way you think about making money online forever. Let's be real. Most people are broke not because they're lazy, but because the system is stacked against them. Rent eats half your paycheck. Groceries somehow cost more every week. Your side hustle drags in pennies while everyone on TikTok screams about making $10K in a weekend, and the emotional toll? Heavy. You feel exhausted from working so much but seeing so little left. You feel guilty every time you spend money, even on necessities. You feel stuck in this endless loop of earning, spending, surviving. The worst part? You've tried the so-called solutions. You downloaded budgeting apps. You signed up for surveys that paid in Starbucks gift cards. You wasted hours scrolling through get-rich-quick hacks. And what did you get? Frustration. Because deep down you know the truth. None of those things scale. None of them flip the equation in your favor. So if all of that fails, what's really happening? Here's the truth. The economy has shifted, but our brains are stuck in the past. Think of it like a courtroom. In one corner sits the old judge barking, "Trade hours for dollars. Work harder, save more, hustle longer." But across the room is a new attorney, calm and confident, saying, "Leverage technology. Multiply effort. Get results faster." The judge represents your habits, safe, familiar, but outdated. The attorney represents AI, scalable, tireless, exponential. History already gave us this lesson. In the Industrial Revolution, one machine could do the work of 50 humans. That single shift created millionaires overnight. And right now, AI is doing the same thing, except instead of factories, it's words, ideas, services, and products. The neurological piece? Your brain craves immediate rewards. That's why you scroll instead of save and binge instead of build. But AI hacks this flaw. It does the repetitive work instantly, giving you results that keep your brain hooked, not in weeks, but in hours. So the big reveal? Making $100 in 24 hours isn't about superhuman effort. It's about leveraging a system that never gets tired. Here's exactly what I tried to hit $100 in 24 hours with AI. Copyforge AI. Selling words that sell story. I started with zero. Opened Copyforge, typed in write product descriptions for Etsy digital planners. In minutes, I had polished text. Hack. Offer micro copywriting gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. Deliver in hours. Result? First gig paid $25. Next tool made me feel like I had a design agency. 2. Vision Crafter. Instant digital product story. I asked Vision Crafter to design a minimalist digital planner. 10 minutes later, I had 5 variations. Hack. Upload to Etsy or Gumroad as digital downloads. Result? 2 sales overnight, $18 each, $36. But then, I needed something scalable fast. 3. Market Oracle AI, finding fast-selling niches story, plugged in keywords. It said, trending AI resume templates. Hack. Build a resume pack in Vision Crafter. Market it with Copyforge text. Result? Posted to Etsy. 1 sale in the first day $12. Next one? It blew my mind. 4. SkillSynth, packaging my knowledge story. Recorded a 15-minute brain dump on freelancer hacks. Uploaded. SkillSynth turned it into a micro course. Hack. Upload as a mini digital workshop on Gumroad for $15. Result. 2 buyers within 24 hours equal sign $30. And finally, the big hitter, 5. Auto Agent Pro, renting my AI assistant story. I set up Auto Agent as a virtual admin for a local business's Instagram inbox. Hack, charge $50/day for client trial runs. Result, landed a small business owner who paid up front, $50. But here's the twist nobody talks about. AI doesn't replace you, it multiplies you. Here's the paradox. AI isn't stealing jobs, it's exposing leverage. Think of your effort like pushing a car uphill. Exhausting. Backbreaking. One mistake and it rolls back down. Now imagine AI hands you a turbo engine. Suddenly, the same car rockets uphill. Same driver, different power. Making $100 in 24 hours isn't about working harder. It's about designing smarter systems. You're not the labor. You're the architect. Here's how you can do it today. Pick a tool. Choose AI for copy, design, or niche research. Post an offer. Fiverr, Etsy, Gumroad. Get something online in hours. Push a sale. Share in 3 groups, DM 5 people, or run $5 in ads. Mini case study. Jason, a broke college student, tried Copyforge for resume writing. He landed 2 gigs in 1 day, $110. He didn't code. He didn't hustle 18 hours. He just leveraged AI. That's the system. Back to that morning. Coffee steaming. Heart pounding. 24 hours ticking. By the end of the day, I looked at my PayPal balance. $103. Not life-changing money, but proof. Proof that AI can flip time into cash. Proof that you don't need endless hours. You need leverage. Proof that the future isn't about competing with machines. It's about partnering with them. Because in 2025, money doesn't reward the hardest worker. It rewards the smartest lever puller. And now the lever is in your hands.